Hey guys, welcome to brainAttic. Today we have another very interesting problem from the topic of trigonometry, especially solution of triangles. So this question was already asked in JEE Advanced 2021, and those of you who are familiar with the solution of triangles topic already know that this topic heavily relies on the application of formulas. So if you do want to give it a try, you may pause the video now and give it a try. Otherwise, let's continue solving the problem. So we are given a triangle PQR having the sides of length small p, small q and small r opposite to angle capital P, capital Q and capital R respectively. Then which of the following statements is or are true? So this is one or more than one option correct type of a question, which is very common in exams like JEE Advanced. So let us begin solving the problem. I already have a diagram where I have identified the sides and the angle. Now we'll quickly write down all the important formulas which we'll be needing for solving this question. So first we have the sine rule. This is nothing but a by, or maybe I'll write in terms of the diagram we have small p by sine capital P is equal to small q by sine capital Q is equal to small r by sine capital R. Again, the next formula which we'll be needing is the cosine formula. Cosine formula. Now this is nothing but cos p is equal to q square plus r square minus p square by 2qr, and cos q is equal to p square plus r square minus q square by 2pr, and cos r is equal to p square plus q square minus r square by 2pq. And finally we'll be needing the projection formula. So what is projection formula? That is small p is equal to q cos r plus r cos capital Q. Similarly, r is equal to q cos p plus p cos q, and q is equal to p cos r is plus r cos p. Now we'll pick up one option after the other and try to identify the inequalities which are given in them. So for the first option, we have cos p is equal to q square plus r square minus p square by 2qr. So this from the formula itself we know, and we'll mark this as equation 1. Now we also know that AM is greater than equal to GM. AM being arithmetic mean is always greater than equal to the geometric mean. Now if we take q square plus r square divided by 2, then it is always greater than the geometric mean of q square and r square. So this we can rewrite as q square plus r square is always greater than 2qr. Now we will use equation 2 in equation 1 and make it as a inequality. So we can therefore say that cos p is greater than equal to 2qr minus p square by 2qr. So you see, right, I have replaced the term q square plus r square in equation 1, and therefore the inequality applies. Therefore we have cos p is greater than equal to 1 minus p square by 2qr. Therefore the first option holds. The first inequality holds. Now for the second option, we'll start solving from the right hand side. So for the second option, option B, we'll start solving from the right hand side. So q minus r cos p plus p minus r cos q whole divided by p plus q. Now we'll rearrange the terms to see cos p plus cos q whole divided by p plus q. Now we already know that this term is equal to r. So we'll substitute r minus r cos p plus cos q whole divided by p plus q. Now opening the bracket, we'll have r minus r cos p plus minus r cos q whole divided by p plus q. So finally r cos p we can rewrite as q minus p cos r. Again, we are using the projection formula over here to replace r cos p with q minus p cos r, and r cos q with p minus q cos r, whole divided by p plus q. So here you see we are left with r minus p minus q plus p plus q cos r, whole divided by p plus q. Now, since this is a triangle, we are dealing with triangle PQR. This implies that R is always less than the sum of P and Q. So, we'll just rewrite this expression over here as cos R plus R minus bracket open P plus Q divided by P plus Q. So this term will always result negative. Therefore, this term cos R plus R minus P plus Q will be less than cos R. So the inequality in option B also holds. Inequality in option B also holds. Now, going for option C, we have Q plus R by P. Now applying sine rule, I can very easily write this as sine Q plus sine R divided by sine P. Now, again we'll apply AM greater than equal to GM, but only in the numerator part. So sine Q plus sine R is greater than equal to 2 under root sine Q sine R. Now this we can therefore write that Q plus R divided by P is greater than equal to 2 sine Q sine R divided by sine P. Therefore, option C is incorrect. Option C is incorrect. Now, finally going for option D. For option D, if P is less than Q and this is Q and P is less than R, then P is the smallest side of the triangle, which implies hence Q or R can be obtuse. So one of cos Q or cos R can be negative. Therefore cos Q cannot be greater than P by R, and cos R cannot always hold true. So option D is also incorrect. We cannot have two obtuse angles in one triangle, right? So that's it. If you do like the video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching.